Hi everyone, my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a roll-on deodorant for men scented with Black Magic fragrance oil. This recipe is made cold, but to benefit from all the properties of the plant, I use an infusion that I make several hours in advance. So first I will prepare the mint infusion, then strain it and let it cool completely. When the infusion is completely cold, I can start adding the rest of the ingredient. So very fine powder alum stone, bamboo sap powder, emulsifier and xanthan gum, stirring between each addition. Then I will let the mixture sit for about 20 minutes to form a gel. When the gel is formed, I will add the rest of the ingredient of the recipe, one at a time, stirring between each addition. So Cosmective Active, mint essential oil, tea tree essential oil, fragrance oil and preservative. Then I will let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes before stirring one last time. Finally, I will pour my recipe into the recycled bottle and that I wash and disinfected. I leave you with the video. safe from heat and humidity, your preparation can be stored for at least 6 months. I'm gonna to use Canva to make them nice labels. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to look in the playlist for more ideas to spoil yourself and your loved ones. Bye!